I hear the tweet songs, twitterings, and cries of the birds in the hedge, yes, but I neither listen nor care, for a sadness grips my heart, where grief has taken root, making me suffer. If my singing were appreciated and welcomed by her who holds me in disdain, I would so strive that I'd be acclaimed in many more good places than I actually will. Sad and woe begone, my singing is thus ended forever, until she cares for me with her support. It was my treasure, now it is a flaw, since she can't stand it. Joy has fled from me a little earlier. My singing failed me, even if she loved me. Now she holds me in disdain. Why don't I snuff myself out when pleads nor mercy nor patience can attain anything? My heart tells me. Why am I debased so much through her? Because she knows that you don't care for any other woman. Because of that she depreciates me. I shall die, for my matted heart seeks nothing else. How betrayed I am, good lady of fickle desire and of stony heart. Oh, I do not stir with guile, care for anyone else. You will have that I turn weary and bony, or that I fall. I am too daring, lady. Made me utter foolish words I don't care for. I am acting against myself. I am so much out of my wit that I don't feel it if one wounds me. Lady, the wrong I have done you, and for which you hold me in disdain, is but a trifling thing. It is driving as a wife be hanged high by the neck. Humble without deceit, lady, your false veiled serf begs you for mercy. Worth not pride has flourished, wherefore it'll be in you.